my very own first pet. Oh, would you like to come home with me, little fishy?
He certainly is a wiggly fellow.
You're right. I think I'll name him Squiggly.
He must like that name.
Oh, dear. But fish can't breathe out of water. How am I going to take him home? There. You comfy, Squiggly? Here we are. Do you like your new home?
Oh, well, I'd say that all that fishy swishing means one big wet yes.
I'll draw a picture to remember Squiggly's first day home.
You can start Squiggly as Grandpa. And that drawing you just did could be on the first